Okay, the latest job we're on at the moment is Austral, which is southwest of Sydney. Big estate area. This is showing all our panels delivered on site. We were very lucky with this site. We had a spare block next door so we could load the whole site up. When we are in tighter blocks, we just get them delivered directly to the slab. We just get either Manitou or a high ab and drop on the slab. But when we have the room, we make use of it. Okay, when we're doing these builds, we always start in one corner with our special corner panel. We spend our time getting it plumb, level, square. Once that's all completed, bolted down at the first panel, then the rest of the panels just flow on really fast because it's all about speed, getting the job done. Here we are at Austral. We're halfway through day 2 of installing walls. As you can see, we're about 3/4 of the way through doing all the externals. Now I had a bit of rain this morning, but with a dry system, no mortars, no silicons, boys just keep powering through. It's still a bit cloudy, so I might get a bit of rain again this afternoon, but we'll just keep working through. Now our exterior walls are up, and the difference between our system and your traditional brick veneer, cladded, double brick even, that once the frame goes up on these other houses, everyone gets excited and thinks the job's almost finished. But then they've got to wait for the bricklayers, they've got to coordinate the trades, electricians and plumbers to come along, which slows the job right down. So with ours, once we finish our walls, that's finished. And you can choose to paint it, or you can leave it raw. You can even choose to gyprock the internals if you want to, or you can just paint them as well. Also part of our service is, before we lay our walls down, we're registered to do the ant capping first, so that gets put down, and then our Z flashing goes on, and our subsill grate, and the walls can continue along. All right, so we're thinking this build probably about a week's time we should have everything complete. Okay, just like to update you on the Austral build. We've now finished all the walls. It took 6 days in total to finish all the walls off. This 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house out at Austral. Let me give you a bit of a tour. So we have the main bedroom in through here, nice big corner window that we're looking through, with an ensuite up at the end there, and a walk-in wardrobe. And around here goes through, this is the garage in through here, single car garage. This is their cinema room, which we're using to store our insulation at the moment. Then we have a second bedroom with the main bathroom next door to that. And we have our third bedroom and our fourth bedroom. And then through to our living and dining area. And we have our kitchen area. This will be an island bench kitchen. You see we've got a gas point on the wall here for the cooktop, and they'll be using the window as a nice splashback just above their bench top. And then through here they've got their butler's pantry and also the entrance to their laundry. Okay, so our part of the build here is done. We've finished all the walls. The boys will finish installation by the end of today. And now it's over to the builder. He comes along, puts the top plate on, pitches his roof, and then does all his fit out and puts his windows in. So that completes our journey for now. I'll come back later maybe when the roof's on or the windows are going in, to give you a bit of an update there as well. And then obviously when it's finished, we'll be showing you as well.